Have you heard of the online video game Roblox? If you have children, the answer is likely yes. More than 75 million people play this game every day, and according to marketing research company Grieco, more than half of these players are actually under the age of 17. But a group of lawsuits allege that the company behind the online video game isn't doing enough to protect its users. And one of the lawsuits was filed by Chicago law firm Steiner, Gould, Grieco, and Hensley in Polk County, Iowa. Now, it alleges the company provides, quote, a hunting ground for child sex predators. Joining us now is Mike Grieco and Steve VanderPorten, attorneys at that firm. Thanks so much for joining us this afternoon. This is really disturbing because this is an extremely popular game. And as we said, majority of people are under 17. Tell us about the case you guys have. Your client was 13, and it was a 37-year-old predator that got to her. Maybe you can explain.
Thank you for having us, first and foremost, Sylvia, to talk about this very important issue. What happened to our client is every parent's worst nightmare. A 13-year-old girl playing a game that is designed for children was introduced and ultimately groomed by a 37-year-old predator. Their discussions led to this predator traveling from his home state in Tennessee, kidnapping our client, trafficking her back to Tennessee, and repeatedly abusing her. It is a horrific case. It's something that both Mike and I and the rest of our firm are intent on making sure never happens again.
Okay, so let's talk about that then. How could something like this happen? Are there not the proper protections for this game? What's going on here?
Well, Sylvia, our client downloaded the game in 2020, and that's when Roblox really saw its usership explode because so many children were home because of the pandemic. And in 2020, there were simply inadequate safeguards to protect against communications between adults and children. And as a result, our client was left completely vulnerable to any adult on the internet, and unfortunately was subjected to horrific abuse.
So from what you say, it was fairly easy early on before any boarding limits were put on this game. And this is one client, but there are more.
So we represent over 400 children that were sexually exploited at the hands of Roblox. And we know that just in 2023 alone, there were 13,000 reports of sexual exploitation. And just as you said on the outset, there are 32 million individuals under the age of 13 that are using this application. So we think that there are tens and tens of thousands of individuals dating back to the early days of Roblox that have been sexually exploited by the company.
Okay, so Roblox now says that it is doing something to make some changes, and they actually put out a statement addressing this because this has been brought up by multiple people, and it says, we are deeply troubled by any incident that endangers our users, and safety is a top priority. We dedicate substantial resources, including advanced technology and 24/7 human moderation to help detect and prevent inappropriate content and behavior, including attempts to direct users off the platform where safety standards and moderation may be less stringent than ours. So parents who are watching this now, listening to the story you're talking about and the other potential people who might have been victims, what do you want to say to them? How can they make sure this doesn't happen to their children?
We don't think that the application, what you just read is, a statement in lawyer speak, but we don't think that the application is safe yet. That we know that there are some safeguards that they are trying to implement, but we don't think that it rises to the standard of care that prevents this from happening ever again to a child. So until there are 0 reports of child sexual exploitation that Roblox can safely report to the public, we think that children and all folks should stay off of the application.
So you're saying just stay off the application,
That's
period?
Right. Yes.
Okay, well, we are going to be following this case closely because it sounds like it's far from over. We do appreciate you coming in and discussing this with us. Really important topic. Thanks so much for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.